How to add avatar on your Instagram story. Hello guys, today I will show you how to add avatar on your Instagram story. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram, then you go to story and click like you wanted to add a story. You go for example camera and take a picture, then you will go here and click and go up like this, and then go to avatar. And if you have an avatar, for example I have an avatar of my account, for example I want this avatar, I will use it like that for example, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.